So, unboxings. They have been famous for a few years now, and I didn't think about having and doing one, but now I am. So, right today, I have a important thing to say, and I didn't think about telling you. So I do Rubik's Cubes. And the good thing about doing Rubik's Cubes are getting the cubes. I want to give you a few very noticeable hints of what's inside this box. If you guessed clocks, you're wrong. If you guessed a Rubik's Cube, you're also wrong. Rubik's Cubes. Since I'm on a tablet and I have a phone for lighting, the lighting's gonna be really bad. And this is what the box looks like. Wait. This is what the box looks like. Memory foam, filler. That's not exactly what's inside of here. There's no running jogging shoes. You'll see what's in here when I showcase it to you. I've been waiting for this thing for like 3 months now. I just didn't have the courage to tell you. If I accidentally cut through the thing right here. Right here. I hope that you can see it. Oops, that's my drink. Just a second. Okay, I found where it is. Okay, so I got the thing open. So let's see what's inside of here. Of course, there are Rubik's Cubes in here. Looks like they came prepared for my big cube. Let's start off small. First off, my 2x2. This is a Rubik's brand 2x2. No, it did not come scrambled, though my 3x3 did. Like someone doesn't know how to solve their Rubik's Cube. So there was my 2x2. My Rubik's brand 2x2. Now, my 3x3, which did come scrambled. This is the Rubik's Speed Cube. The turning is okay. So that was my 3x3. We're doing my big cube last. I did not. They gave me a $1 cube from the Dollar Tree. Just perfect. This is a Rubik's stand. If you're wondering how it works, let me just use it with my new 2x2. This is how it works. Oh crap. Okay, so that's my 2x2 and my Rubik's Cube stand. Let's get to one of the bigger ones. Ooh. Oh, this seems interesting. So this one comes in its own case. I believe this is called a gear ball. That's it over there. So this is, I believe it's called a gear ball. That seems like a little brown, but for me it's a little red. This is orange, blue, yellow, purple, green, every other color. Yeah, this turns really well, actually. This is the Mefford's Gear Ball, if you're wondering what the name of the company was. So that was the gear ball. Let's have one more look at it. It's all of its splendid glory. So that was the gear ball. Let me just put it back in its case. I'm just gonna set it over here. Okay, I only have one more thing inside this box. And you know that big cube I was talking about that goes with this? Yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you in just a second. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the Mefford's Extra Large. Wait just a second. As I said, the extra large Mefford's Gear Cube. This thing is massive. Humongous. Surprisingly, it actually turns really well. It's a little loud. So, you're probably wondering what this has to go with this. Yep, you lay it right on that. I am surprised how Walmart does this. So that was the Mefford's Gear Ball. Gear Ball and Gear Cube as well. That Gear Ball was only like, I think a large or big. I think it's a medium, actually. The Gear Ball, I think that's a medium. I know this because this thing is heavy. And I'm guessing that's just an extra large Mefford's Gear Ball. This is a really good speed cube. Also, this might be orange or pink colored again. This is red, green, orange, yellow, blue. Oh, I can go on. Oh, no, purple. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my entire unboxing video. This is my first unboxing, actually. So let's just have a little recap of what we got in this box. First, we got, this was first. The Rubik's Cube 2x2. Oh, that's blocking the light. Then we got the Rubik's Speed Cube. And then we got the poorly made $1 cube. Then we had one accessory, which was the Rubik's stand. Yes, it also says Rubik's on here. And then metallic Rubik's on here. Then we have the gear ball. Then we have the extra large gear cube. This thing is so heavy. It's like 3 pounds. Or larger. I'm only 10 years old. This is heavy for me. I'm in the freaking 5th grade. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you lots. Thanks for 11 subscribers as well. I know I've been having that for like a few months. I'm still really happy that I reached 11 subscribers since my last video. And if you haven't checked the last video's topic, which is a Just Shapes and Beats playthrough, then you're missing out, dude. That was awesome. I loved that. Anyway, love you lots. Goodbye. Keep calm. Play Geometry Dash.